Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today, we're diving into something simple but essential: how to log out of War Thunder in 2025. Whether you're stepping away for a bit, switching accounts, or just securing your session, knowing this can save you time and hassle. War Thunder has evolved a lot, with new features and updates, so let's make sure you're up to speed on the latest logout process. First things first, fire up War Thunder and get into the game. Once you're in, look for the main menu icon. It's usually in the top right corner, represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear symbol. Click on that to open up your options. Now, navigate to the Account or Profile section. This is where things get straightforward. You'll see a Log Out button right there. Go ahead and click it. But wait, don't rush. In the 2025 update, they've added a confirmation prompt to prevent accidental logouts, so you'll need to confirm your action by selecting Yes or Confirm. This extra step helps protect your progress. If you're on a mobile device, the process is similar. Open the in-game menu, scroll down to the account settings, and tap Log Out. Remember, after logging out, you might need to close and reopen the app or game client to start fresh. One common tip: always log out properly to avoid any session errors or data issues, especially if you're playing on a shared device. Now, why bother with this? Logging out keeps your account secure and ensures that any background processes are cleanly shut down. If you're experiencing any glitches, trying a full logout and login can often fix them. That's all for today's guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more War Thunder tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the virtual skies and battlefields. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.